We're at the thrift store, guys.
It is so empty today. This is so
Got some jerseys here.
It's still a little bit pricey. You can look in the shirts too, see if you find anything. Oh, look at this shirt. Maybe we didn't have this. A Walmart shirt. Still, it's a cool shirt.
How do you know if it's a good shirt, Dad?
Here, go down to this black. Go down to the next one. I don't know if you see something that looks cool.
This?
No, it's all dirty. Yeah, it's not as bad.
Oh, this is kind of cool, Dad.
This is kind of cool. What size is it? XL. How much? No, not $30. No. Oh my gosh.
Eat and eat cookies.
Guys, it's a little bit different camera angle. I got you guys on the cart looking over here. This, yeah, it's not one to sell though. Or not for me to wear. None of these are my size. Yeah, because it's by color. Pittsburgh's black. Yellow, white, red are the colors for the heads. I'll be honest with you guys, everything is really high priced today though. Because it's Under Armour doesn't mean we get it.
No, but I know you like Under Armour.
I do, but none of these are my size, so. There are some nice Under Armour shirts here today, but just too expensive. Yeah.
This is an old one.
$24.99. a good pickup. I think my wife would actually wear this. Not for that. What size is that? Put that in the car. I kind of like that. Sure. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the footage that we got. A little bit of footage from the thrift store there. This thrift store does not like us filming, but we filmed a little bit while we were there. What was crazy about this trip was the place was empty. No shoppers. There's maybe only 4 people while we were there. And I thought this is going to be great, but tons of the items were just super high priced, and I didn't feel safe picking them up. I just didn't feel safe picking them up with the prices that were there. Now, if some of them were a little bit cheaper, I would have picked up a ton of stuff, but I did pick up some stuff to keep, some stuff to sell. So let me show you what we picked up. Now, we didn't pick up anything too crazy, but one of the first things we picked up was this jacket. It's a Born to Rule Descendants 2 Disney jacket, 10 to 24 months kids jacket. Nice like fake leather jacket, super nice. We ended up paying $5 for this. Now looking at the sold comps on eBay, jackets like this go for about $15 to $25, so it should be a pretty quick flip, and it's in actually really good shape for being a kids item. So never pass up on kids items, because sometimes those items actually do really well. This next shirt is a personal shirt. My wife's going to keep this one. This was $1.99. A little bit late, but you serious, Clark? She loves the saying from the movie, so we picked this up for her, and she will definitely be wearing this one around. Picked this shirt up for myself too. Philadelphia Phillies. Big fan of the Phillies here. I like a lot of the players on the team, and they are on the other side of the state, so I will be rooting for the Phillies whenever they don't play the Pirates. And so yeah, this will be a good shirt to wear to the gym and just around the house. So $3.99 on this one. A little bit more than I like to spend, but really like shirt, and I would like these types. This was a cool shirt, cool graphics. It is like a tie-dye American flag. Picked this up, paid $1.99 for it. It's a size XL, but National Museum of American History, Washington, D.C. I mean, look at that. It's a really cool shirt, really cool. And for $2, can't pass this up. This will probably end up on Whatnot. Maybe. I'm not sure yet. This might end up on eBay. We'll see how the sold comps go on eBay, and we'll make that decision. Last but not least, my kid found this shirt. This is a Disney shirt, size large. It was $12.99 originally. We paid $6.99 for this, but it is the Mickey Disneyland ringer. Actually, still brand new with tags. Didn't even notice that. Look at that. The Disney tags on it. Brand new with tags, size large. I didn't even notice that. So that's a really good pickup. Probably I'm expecting to get $20 for this. But yeah, so super happy with that one. So that was our haul from the thrift store today. Guys, stay tuned. We have some more great videos coming out. Remember, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the share button, and we'll see you next time, guys. Bye.